Pakistan is a country which is self-sustainable. It has the potential, it has the resources to stand on its own feet. And this I say very confidently because of the 10 years that I have governed Pakistan. We are self-sufficient in water, in energy, in food, in natural resources. What more does a country want? So what really is happening in Pakistan, if I may be allowed to speak on the issue is that the people who come into governance through elections, through the democratic practices, do not govern well. That has been the history of Pakistan. Therefore, we have suffered a dilemma of the constitution and the state. Constitution is most sacrosanct, obviously everyone knows it's the most sacred document. But its sanctity is as long as the state exists. Unfortunate reality is when the state is going down, people run to the army to save the state. So without the state, the constitution is a piece of paper. So what the dilemma that the military suffers always, whether it was in the 50s, late 50s under Ayub Khan or President Ziaul Haq or under me, that we had a dilemma, save the state in order to save the constitution. So this has been the dilemma, and unfortunately the military takes over in order to save the state, in order to then save the constitution. May I also say that this was the view of even President Abraham Lincoln. I know that he had violated the constitution because his responsibility was to the state, to protect the state and therefore protect the constitution. So this has been the dilemma of Pakistan all through its history. And even now, the state is being run to the ground at the moment with all its potential. And people are again running to the military to save the country. So it is a dilemma with the army chief. Should he save the country and do something unconstitutional, or allow the constitution to function and let the state go down? So this is the dilemma, unfortunately, that Pakistan always suffers from. We have to introduce sustainable democracy in Pakistan. That is the task that we have to undertake.